All right, Vera, be careful what you wish for. All right, so you asked about how to create that that audio file that was on the Mast Google Classroom. So one of my favorite podcast apps is called Anchor. All right, so if you let me hold on, let me move my screen up. So I can send you the link to Anchor. It is a free app that allows people to create their own audio files or podcast. So very simple. Once you log in, create an account. You can use your Facebook account or your Google account. Once you're logged in, you can just click record. You want to click record. I'm going to click start recording now. This is a test. This is a test. This is Kelly Harmon's podcast called The Miracle Morning. Click stop, record. Then you have it listed here. We can play it back. This is the first one I did before. Let's listen to it. This is a test. This is Kelly Harmon's first podcast called The Miracle Morning. Okay, so they stay here on your account, but now if you want, you can download it. So let's click those three dots. Download the audio file. This is a test. This is a test. This is Kelly Harmon's podcast called The Miracle Morning. All right, we want it to download. Where did it go? See, we don't want to play it. We want to download it. Download audio file. This is a test. This is a test. This is Kelly Harmon's podcast called The Miracle Now that link, Morning. Let's see if you embed it. Let's see. Now that you have the link for that audio file, you can put it into your Google Classroom or send it in an email. So let's see what happens. So now we have the link. Let me see what happens when I click the link. It takes you to the audio file. This is a test. Okay. This is a So really simple. Let me get out of this. So hit record. The file is going to stay within your account. Click the dots. That will download to a link, and that link you can embed in your website, in your class, in an email. You can add background music. Let's try it. Let's add calm. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. Let's add that. I'm going to apply that to my recording. Let's see how that sounds. That should be interesting. Let's try it. This is a test. This is a test. This is Kelly Harmon's podcast called The Miracle Morning. Pretty cool. So you could add music too. All right. So, and then you download it. You have the link and you can add it to whatever you want. Your website, an email, in your Google Classroom. Pretty cool. All right. Anchor is awesome. I love it. It's free. All right. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'm signing off for today. I'm closing up my laptop. I'm done. I've been in this seat since 7 a.m. I need a break, girl. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.